The best way to tool or smooth a silicone bead after application is to use a silicone finishing tool with gentle pressure for a clean, consistent line. Apply the bead steadily and then immediately run a silicone finishing tool along the joint using light, even pressure to shape the bead and remove excess material. Hold the tool at a shallow angle and work in one continuous motion from left to right or right to left to avoid ridges and drag marks. Wipe the tool clean after each stroke using a lint-free cloth to prevent smearing cured silicone back into the joint. For inside or outside corners where a tool cannot reach cleanly, use a dry finger shaped like a slight cup to press and smooth the joint. The natural warmth helps seat the silicone without leaving residue when you keep the finger dry. Do not wet the tool or finger as water or soap can interfere with the silicone cure and leave a tacky finish or poor adhesion. If you need to correct an uneven section, wait until the silicone skins over lightly, cut away the bad portion with a sharp blade, and retool only the new area to maintain uniformity. 3 common mistakes are using too much force, which thins the bead and creates gaps, relying on water or detergent to slick the tool, which can prevent proper curing, and failing to keep the tool clean, which drags cured bits and makes the line jagged. Apply lighter pressure, avoid any liquid on tools or fingers, and wipe the tool after every pass to fix these. Another frequent issue is tooling too slowly so the bead skins and pulls. Work steadily and in single passes so the silicone remains workable. People also often try to tool complex corners with the tool alone, switch to a dry finger for tight corners, and finish with the tool on adjacent straight runs for a professional look. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project information related to finishing techniques like silicone tooling. We host a discussion community where we and other users share tips, ask questions, and find contractors for jobs so both homeowners and contractors benefit.